Breaking news coming in. West Bengal government has filed an affidavit in the Calcutta High Court stating it does not have any infrastructure to stop animal slaughter. This in response to a court order demanding an end to animal slaughter during Bakrid and releasing advertisements across print and electronic media. Remember, the Mamata government has appealed for 1 year's time to stop animal slaughter. The Mamata government has said that the state government will take necessary steps to ensure compliance with relevant laws by the end of the next calendar year. The order states that no person shall slaughter any animals unless he has obtained a certificate that the animal is fit for slaughter.
बकरीद में देखिए, हमारे बंगाल में भाईचारा के साथ हम दुर्गा उत्सव भी मनाते हैं, बकरीद भी मनाते हैं, ईद भी मनाते हैं, सब कुछ मनाते हैं। यहाँ पर कोई टेंशन नहीं है। हम लोग सब मिलके, हम मुसलमान दुर्गा पूजा में भाग लेते हैं और जो हिंदू है वो बकरीद ईद में भाग लेता है। वो सब सरकारी स्तर में जो है मगर समाजी इसमें कोई भेदभाव नहीं है। यहाँ पर हम लोग सब एक साथ मिलके मनाते हैं। वो सब सरकारी स्तर में, हमको मालूम नहीं है कोर्ट क्या निर्देश है। वो सरकारी स्तर में जो है उसमें उसका लिए हम कोई टिप्पणी नहीं देंगे, मगर बंगाल के ये कल्चर है जो हम सब मिलके एक साथ रहते हैं।
एडवोकेट जनरल साहब ने ये जो फाइल किया हैगा एफिडेविट, वो एफिडेविट ही अपने आप में एक टोटल ही फेक एफिडेविट हैगा। सिर्फ एक काउ स्लॉटरिंग करवाने के लिए, बकरी ईद पे गाय की कुर्बानी करवाने के लिए मुस्लिम्स का एक सीधा साथ दिया जा रहा हैगा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से। सिर्फ 2019 के लिए मुस्लिम वोट बैंक को टारगेट करके गायें कटवाने के लिए जानबूझकर राज्य सरकार ये काम कर रही है, वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट, और हिंदुओं को यहाँ पे दबाया जा रहा है। सिर्फ इसी वजह से जजमेंट्स का अनुपालन नहीं हो रहा। ये तो अब हाई कोर्ट में है बॉल। हाई कोर्ट में चीफ जस्टिस आपको देखना चाहिए कि आप ही के कोर्ट का, आप ही के जजमेंट्स का कितना रेगुलर इंसल्ट किया जा रहा हैगा।
We have Manugya Loiwal who's with us this afternoon. Manugya, is this controversy over cow slaughter in particular or animal slaughter in general?
Both are included in it. Cow slaughter is included in any kind of animal slaughter, and the cow, buffalo, as well as any other kind of similar animals are also included in it. So it's not just specific to cow slaughter, but it is specific to the entire fraternity of cows, the buffalo, or the types of cows that are slaughtered during Bakrid. Now, this is a very significant order that Calcutta High Court has categorically stated that the government has to issue certificates from veterinary doctors or respective authorities to ensure that the cattle that is being slaughtered is only certified to be slaughtered. Nothing beyond that will be acceptable. The government, on the contrary, has filed an affidavit stating that it does not have enough infrastructure to ensure that. It does not have enough veterinary doctors across the state, which is in another sort of not true, because it has more than 1,500 veterinary doctors on payrolls, which it pays every month. Besides that, there are also statistics that it has said that it does not have adequate infrastructure to deliver or meet the requirements of what it has been instructed to do. However, it has sought a year's time. A calendar year is the word that has been mentioned, that would be required by the West Bengal government to ensure that they are able to meet and, of course, adhere to all the directions of the Calcutta High Court.
Right. So, Manugya, people who do want to sacrifice goats, for example, in West Bengal during Bakrid, what are they required to do?
For goats, there is no such kind of ruling that has been given. It is specifically for cows, buffaloes, or similar types of cows or buffaloes of those species. Now, that is the reason why it has become extremely significant that any kind of sheep or goats, these are not being included in the order. But precisely what the government of West Bengal has been told to do is also to advertise in all newspapers, including Hindi, English, Bengali and Urdu, that government has to adhere to the guidelines and the verdict of the Calcutta High Court, which has to be followed. And significantly, Calcutta High Court has been told that the government does not have that setup also. Now, this comes at a time when the government has been releasing advertisements from various departments across the state in almost every newspaper, but cannot do so pertaining to Bakrid. Of course, a double standard on the part of the government of West Bengal, where it claims to state something, but on paper states something differently.
All right, Manugya, thanks so much for that. Let's once again listen in to that reaction coming in from the petitioners.
एडवोकेट जनरल साहब ने ये जो फाइल किया हैगा एफिडेविट, वो एफिडेविट ये अपने आप में एक टोटल ही फेक एफिडेविट हैगा। सिर्फ एक काउ स्लॉटरिंग करवाने के लिए, बकरी ईद पे गाय की कुर्बानी करवाने के लिए मुस्लिम्स का एक सीधा साथ दिया जा रहा हैगा गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से। सिर्फ 2019 के लिए मुस्लिम वोट बैंक को टारगेट करके गायें कटवाने के लिए जानबूझकर राज्य सरकार ये काम कर रही है, वेस्ट बंगाल गवर्नमेंट, और हिंदुओं को यहाँ पे दबाया जा रहा है। सिर्फ इसी वजह से जजमेंट्स का अनुपालन नहीं हो रहा। ये तो अब हाई कोर्ट में है बॉल। हाई कोर्ट में चीफ जस्टिस साहब को देखना चाहिए कि आप ही के कोर्ट का, आप ही के जजमेंट्स का कितना रेगुलर इंसल्ट किया जा रहा है।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.